To use private space on a nothingphone 4a, first of all you will have to open the settings. Right now go below into security and privacy settings, and right now go below again on private space. So first of all you have to use recognition. You can use your fingerprint or screen lock. Click to continue to get this introduction, and now it's gonna set up a private space, so it will take a few moments. You have to just be patient and wait for it. Usually it will take around 10 to 15 seconds. Now we can use a screen lock, the same that you have on your phone, or we can choose a new one. In my case I will use the same that I have on my screen. I mean basically just my screen lock. And now as you can see we have to click done. There we go. And here we got our private space, so we can open for example the Google Chrome here. We got the private camera, so if we are gonna take the photos they will be stored over here. There we can also bring here some files, so if I want to move some files from my normal files and hide them, I can quickly do this. I can also add here some applications manually, like for example my Gmail account. There we go. And now by clicking here on this icon we can find that option, private space lock, so we can use device screen lock. I just previously showed this. Lock private space automatically when leaving the space, very useful. And there's some other things, like we can even hide the private space. We can find some advice and things like this. And as you can see, that's basically how it looks when if you want to open the private space, you have to just open your app drawer and slide into the left side.